All right. So, I don't even know where to begin because the last 2 weeks have been insane. Um, so, I had gotten an offer on the house, which I accepted. And so, the house is done. The house is finite. It is sold, all of that. That was a fiasco in itself, but hey, it is what it is. Yeah. We'll get to that. So currently, as you can see, let me flip the camera around. I am residing with my lovely, wonderful daughter. This is her house, and I'm staying with her until we can get old Gertie here a little bit more dependable. So far, what we have done is we replaced this door right here. We have replaced this door right here. Fortunately, they had one at a junkyard nearby. And let's open her up. My son-in-law has been wonderful, and he replaced the valve cover gaskets on here. We are waiting actually on this piece right here because it is not, it's just old and it broke. And yeah, so once that piece comes in, which should be today or tomorrow, we can put this doghouse back on and this will be fine. The power steering pump was replaced, has a new radiator, all of that fun stuff. Meanwhile, fortunately, the door now opens and closes. Meanwhile, in here we have a disaster. But yeah, this is a work in progress because of moving. Hold that thought. I literally had 10 days. 10 from offer accepted to close. So things had to move very, very fast. And because the gentleman who was buying it, it was actually a company. They're gonna flip the house. I know that's what they're gonna do, but it's okay. It's all good. It's all good. They had to. They wanted to be closing by the 1st. We actually closed on the 2nd, but that wasn't due to. I was just waiting on paperwork and stuff to come in. So, yeah. As far as I've done a few festivals actually since whatchamacallit, since the Central Florida Fair. And as you can again see, it's just a mess in this van right now. But yeah. So with that being said, I'm waiting on some money to come in. It's the rest of the house stuff, and once that comes in, I'm going to be getting, I have to pay my son-in-law for fixing the van and the parts that have been purchased, etc. Also, we have another part. I'm going to fix the steering box on it. And I have to purchase solar and Starlink. That's where I am as far as that goes. And then me and the girls are going to be going on the road for a few weeks. So you're going to have to stay tuned for that. Now, the house, I pretty much broke even on the house, so I walked away with no money on it. But yeah, it is what it is. That's one. Two, the money that I'm waiting on is a refund check from my insurance company, the house insurance, which had just gotten paid in the middle of March, so I'm getting pretty much all of that money back. But yeah, so I gotta finish fixing the van, get the solar, and we can move forward with that stuff. I also have to pay some upcoming events. Most recent one coming up will be the Spring Water Festival in South Carolina. And after that, I go to Tennessee, I think. I don't remember. I have it all on the computer in the office. So, yeah. I have events I have to pay for and to be able to keep working. It's where we are right now, guys. So, yeah, I have a mess. This is what happens when you move in, close on a house in 10 days. Everything gets thrown into a mess. So that's where I'm at as far as that goes. But come over here. And I have a quiet office space to work in, thanks to my wonderful daughter. Now, as far as this thing here goes, we are going to remove this window right here. We're going to take that out, and we are going to put an AC unit in there. So this way, I have AC because we're going to replace this door right here because it doesn't want to close correctly. So because of that, when we do, the original van had crank windows. The doors now have power windows, but unless I rip everything apart and rewire everything, I won't have windows that roll up and down. The only thing I'll have is the corner. I can't do it today. Window, which will let some air in. And obviously that one has it as well. So when I replace this door, because it's coming off the same van as that door, I will have a window here that will not go down. So we're gonna put in the AC unit, which, because I'll have solar, it'll be able to run while we're driving. All right, there's that. Otherwise, summer will be excruciating. Plus the fact, because it'll have AC, I won't have to worry about the dogs so much with going to an event and leaving them in the van because it'll have AC. So because it'll have AC, they will be able to stay in the van. And nobody will be able to call animal services or anything like that. They'll be fine. Now, they will, obviously they'll have food, they'll have water, all of that fun stuff for them to be able to eat and stay hydrated because summer and hot and yeah. So there's that. Then, well, it's a work in progress, the van is. So, I have a camping grill. I'm gonna have propane. Hold that thought. I'm going to get a hitch rack to put into the hitch, and then, you okay there, kitty cat? Because I'm gonna get a hitch rack, be able to put my work stuff on the hitch rack. I'll have to worry about the dogs while I'm trying to unload. They'll be in the AC, they'll be fine. So the hitch rack will have all of my stuff, and then I won't have to worry about that stuff. So that's a positive thing. And everything will be, it'll be okay. Everything will be fine. So, oh, my daughter and I were talking, and I'm going to get feather flags to put on each corner, on the 2 front quarters of the tent. That is going to save me a bunch of aggravation with the big sign up top above the tent. The other thing is the big sign goes into the back of the tent along the back wall now. So making adjustments, don't have to worry about the ladder. The ladder comes because I put the banner on there so people can see the designs. Oh, and I redid my the papers that I had made. Did I show you guys that? I think I did. The papers that I had made for the new designs. If I didn't, I'll put them here. And I laminated them. They're now in color, meaning the picture of the person is now in color. So it actually pops. It really looks nice. Yeah. So I have some more painting I have to do with that, but we'll get there. I'm just not there yet. And then other than that, yeah, I'm just waiting on this deposit to hit the bank account, so this way I can actually, you know, make things happen around here. Yeah. I think that's about everything for right now. I hope everybody's doing okay. I know I've been absent. I haven't posted anything. I know. It's just been March. The entire month of March up to this point has been insane. So, all right, stay tuned, guys, for more adventures to come.